All right, guys, Captain Paul here. Today we're going to do a walkthrough video of this 2022 Beneteau. I like these boats. I've got thousands of miles in these and hundreds of hours now, and I actually like these boats. Look how clean this thing is. The hull's super clean. Anyway, Doc, instead of you working me, we just finished up the air conditioner. Hope you guys are enjoying those videos, and also with the Graham Banks. Those videos should be finishing up in the next week or so as we're getting up close to getting home now. I think you guys are on video. We're out of the Erie Canal and heading over to through the Great Lakes. Anyway, today this is a beautiful Swift Beneteau Trawler 41. You can see it's got the beautiful dinghy on the back here, 15 horse. Well, one thing I want to talk about real quick, 10 years ago today, because this boat isn't for just anybody. This boat is for the guy that took the risks. The stock market was, I just looked it up. The stock market was, the Dow Jones was about 18,000. Bitcoin was almost 600, a little less than $600. So 100 of those coins, $7,300 investment, you would be owning this boat today. Same thing with the Dow Jones. You would have had to invest 400,000. You would be now worth 800,000. That's about what this boat lists for. Why I love these boats so much is because there's a couple of key factors to them. I'm going to walk you around the outside here, and I'm going to show you one of my favorite things about these particular boats, especially if you're doing America's Great Loop. So this is also a live update video as I'm showing you the boat. But this door right here, these two doors right here, and the helm sitting right here. So just imagine you're at the helm here, you're doing America's Great Loop. I got my electronic controller right here. Also in my videos, the podcast I just did, full displacement, I said, what is the most maneuverable boat? This is it right here. So these are electronic, this is the Volvo version of it, but they're all basically the same. In gear, neutral, this is neutral, reverse, and if I want to move the boat, and then with the thrusters right here, absolutely the most maneuverable boat on the market. Then you put this side door on here, and then you have the next side door right here. That's why I absolutely love these boats. In my opinion, the best single-hand loop boat on the market today. There's not a better one. They make a 34, a 35. The 34 turned into the new 35. This is the 41. This is the bigger 3-cabin layout model. And we're going to take you and walk you through it today on our live update Sunday morning video. So again, just for reference, the side door, and then you have another side door. So coming up to the dock, I can just open this door up, walk right out, and I'm on the dock. Best by far single-hand boat, great design, great layout, and I absolutely love it for that reason. So anyway, we're going to walk forward here. Look at all this canvas here, keeping it nice and cool in this heat. I wish I could turn the air conditioners on. Anyway, look at this nice, easy walkaway around the docks here. This is over at Daytona, Halifax Marina. Look at that beautiful anchor right there. Whew, that is a nice anchor. Great windlass. Doc, what do you think of it, just your first impression of the boat?
It would be an easy cruiser. I like the wide gangways on the side. Like you said, the side door.
Yeah.
The door onto the dock.
Yeah.
And the easy step on at the swim platform right through the transit door.
Yeah, absolutely crazy how maneuverable and how easy and what great access this boat allows you. So we're just literally just walking around the gunnels right now. This side is completely open. Just walk all the way down here. So if I had to walk and I needed to get to this side, no problem at all. Just an easy walk right down here. Great handrails where I need them. Now we're going to come back down into the cockpit. And this boat is listed with Current Yachts. I'll give you Amanda's number, and I'll put her in the comments, in the description, so you guys can contact her about this boat. But look at this, just easy dinghy, super lick. I'm just literally walking right out here on the platform. Nice swim to go down. Dinghy goes down easy, new aluminum bottom. This is all the stuff that we want to see, all of it. So just a super clean, super nice boat. 2022. You guys see that big fish right there? What is it, Doc? It's a mullet?
A mullet.
Man, that thing is huge. Can you eat that or no?
He's a good bait fish.
Good bait fish. Okay. He's huge.
Yeah.
He's just kind of hanging out there, ain't he? That's super cool. All right, guys, now let's head upstairs here. And me and Doc are gonna go upstairs and let's check out this upstairs. Where I just love this. It's a lot like a main ship. Has an upstairs kind of like this. So you got your barbecue over here. Really cool. Got your grill, cups, little sink, little refrigerator, ice maker, trash. Super cool. Now let's walk up into the actual salon area. All this is, oh, this canvas looks brand new. That's what you want to see when you're out here looking for a boat. Soft goods in really good shape. Even this interior bridge up here, all the canvas looks really, really good. Super nice. That's what I want to see when I'm up here. Super clean. Again, controller, dual thrusters. Absolutely the most maneuverable boat you can buy. So we'll come around here. You can see nice, easy cushions sit around. Just really, really nice. Like I said, I've taken one of these all the way, Doc, from Warwick, Rhode Island. I believe that I brought one to Daytona Beach, somewhere right around this marina right here. And then I brought one from Florida. Both of them are, all three of them I've taken on ocean crossings. They really do handle, they're a nice handling boat. Let's go check out the interior of this bad boy. So you guys can see right here, this is coming in the back door of it. And pretty much they're all, this layout, I like it because it separates the living room from the kitchen here. You got this freezer, and then I got my refrigerator down here. And then just makes a nice kitchen sink, stove, galley, refrigerator, a microwave. Then we come up into this area right here. Just a nice seat to sit around. Great captain's quarters, air conditioners going. We're cruising. We're doing America's Great Loop. We're heading over to the Bahamas. Just a nice place to sit. And then you can see from the inside going down to the store right here. Doc, I want to see you get behind the steering wheel there and tell me if you think you can handle this. This week, this is just a live update video too, where and me and Doc are working on putting air conditioner. How'd that air conditioner job turn out, Doc?
Wonderful. Best it's ever been.
Best. We put HVAC in it. We put real HVAC in your boat. So he has a 50-year-old Trawler, be 50 years old today, or this year, right? Or next year. Next year, it'll be 50 years old. And it's got proper HVAC. And I thought it was one of my favorite jobs because it was just a lot of fun to do. It's a lot of fun working with you, Doc. Not too many surgeons can actually, don't have the skills. They all have skills, but can they operate a, power tools like you can? I think I'm as good. I think you learned on this little job right here. I'm as good with a little skill saw. Give me a cordless skill saw, and it's like my scalpel, right?
That's it. You were the surgeon. I was the scrub nurse.
Anyway, we had a lot of fun working on that project. So I hope you guys, that video will come out next week. And I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to probably skip it between the Grand Banks videos, finishing those up by the end of next week or the week after that. So enjoy those videos. Anyway, let's go ahead and head down here into the hull, the belly of the beast. Again, I love this layout. This is usually the bedroom I sleep in when I've taken these out in the past. And this one has a 2-head layout. This is the master suite right here. Great access up around the boat. Offers a lot for a 41-foot boat. Picture yourself doing America's Great Loop, going to do, the Bahamas, the Exumas, or something like that in this boat. Just super... Wow. And I love the separate shower. I just absolutely love that. Anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying all the videos that are coming out. This is the second bath, and you can see it's got a wet head, we'll call it. And then we have the third bedroom over here. I believe they put the washer dryer in over here. They do. That is the washer and dryer over there. You can see it in the corner over here. So on the 35, they don't have this bedroom right here. And this is all a little bit smaller on the bigger ones. On the smaller ones, it kind of condenses. This is a really much bigger than the 35. Super talking cool. Earlier about Bitcoin and the stock market. I think right now in today's market, this is about the risk takers, the guys that took some risks in life. They invested in Bitcoin, they invested in the market, and now it's time to come out here and invest in your time, which you cannot buy any time. But the guys that did can afford a yacht like this. I think you'd be rewarded handsomely. So this is wow, what amazing storage this one has. Even on the 35 has pretty good storage, but not like this. This is super nice. Look how clean this is. This is what you want to see when you open up. Nice generator right here, Light Pro 4 battery. So it does have some lithium in it. I don't know the extent of all of the cruising of this boat, but I know that this looks super clean and I like what I see. All right, guys, so we are heading in the engine room here. You can see that this is a shaft drive, and these are Volvo Pintas. We ran these exact boats, engines at Little Palm. Freaking love the sound of them. They were just amazing motors to run. And like I tell you guys, on anything, all diesel motors are good. You just got to maintain them properly, and you'll have good luck with them. But anyway, this got the D4, so 4-cylinder, 300 horsepower little motors. Like I said, we ran these boats. Really clean little engine room here. Shaft drive. If you want to see, looks like all the maintenance is done in here. This thing even has a water maker. Wow, that's cool. Anyway, I'll share the link for the listing too, so you guys can see everything down here. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Just a live update. We've been working on the docks boat all week. Thank you, Amanda at Current Yachts, for letting us aboard this. Just take a break. Today's Sunday, and we're just enjoying the summer here. We're in New Smyrna, and this is over at Daytona Harbor, and me and Doc just took a break and ran down here and wanted to look at this boat and then do a little video. Anyway, we appreciate you guys. Thank you. God bless. Peace out. Remember, live life with no regret. I do. And thank you so much for watching. Anybody needs help with this boat, you can contact me directly, or you can and I'll get you in with the right people, or you can contact Amanda over at Current Yachts. She's the local broker here. And a little bonus, I will come out and meet you, and I'll do your first day of training on this thing. So a lot of good things happening with this particular yacht.